Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is going to be a video simply on removing your makeup, full face removal. So stay tuned. Okay, as you guys know, we love to dive right in here. And full disclosure, I slept in my makeup last night. Don't do as I do, do as I say. Please believe me. So I'm doing a full face removal for you. I have a big bowl of water here, hot water that I use. And so I'm just going to go through my routine quickly. I start off usually with Neutrogena oil-free makeup remover. I've already removed my contacts and also my eyelashes. So that's first. And then I found that this product, the Neutrogena oil-free makeup remover, works the best for me. It takes off my eyebrows and everything, okay? So I love it. It doesn't irritate my eyes. I kid you not, one time I actually got it, some of the remover actually in my eye, and I had no reaction. Obviously that's not what you want to do. But if it happens to happen, at least you know your eyes are not going to be irritated. I hate products that have so much alcohol, so much additional ingredients that are really harmful to the eyes, the skin, the nose. And I never like to smell my products. I prefer fragrance-free. And Neutrogena, quite honestly, is known for that. And I've been using Neutrogena for decades. I'm sure we all have. It's a tried and true product, and I'm so glad that they're still around. So, as you know, I'm just removing some from my upper lid, that sensitive area. What I like to do is take a Q-tip, as you see, just to get the additional makeup off my eyelid. Actually, my eye line. The bottom and the top, quite frankly. Okay, so I think everything's off. I'm gonna get my handy dandy Jeffree Star mirror. Okay, it's looking good. I usually do one more round of removal just to make sure it's all off. And it's still, my whole process is probably like a 10-minute process, maybe 15, but not that long, taking off all my makeup. But like I said, I was tired last night. Quincy's having issues. He had a little abrasion on his toe, so it's been extra work for me to try and get him where he needs to be. So now I'm simply going in with Jacqueline Page Cosmetics. This is my Alpha Hydroxy Environmental Skin Cleanser. I generally use this at least 3 times a week to just remove all the debris from my face. So I'm using a Claritin. Oops. I'm using a Claritin electric brush here. I've had this for probably too long. Actually, it's not Claritin. It's Olay. Okay, sorry. So let me do this here. I take a little bit of the product in my hand. And I like to apply it with my hand first, just so I can get it all over my face. My product is also holistic, which simply means that it doesn't have a lot of added things to it. And it's really for sensitive skin, all skin types. And this is just such a beautiful, moisture, rich cleanser. Don't forget to go under your neck. And so I usually use until I get all of that off my hand that I applied. And then I like to go in, I take the Olay electric cleanser, and ideally, let me see here. I want to just start and spend like maybe 10 seconds, 12 seconds on each part of my face. So start with the cheeks, chin, other side, in a circular motion. The brush also goes in a circular motion, but I like to also help to get in deep. Okay. Then turn it off. I just kind of take the top, put it in the water, and then I take my handy dandy towel, and then I just want to remove the excess product and makeup off my face. Oh, I love warm water on my face. Mm. And once again, if you don't have a lot of time, you really don't need it. But when I'm in a hurry or I'm extremely tired or exhausted at night, I will use my Neutrogena wipes or my CVS wipes to remove my makeup. Because oftentimes I don't have a whole lot of time in the evening. Got a lot of stuff to do. Okay. All right, so that's done. I'm just going to go in with my Jacqueline Page Alpha Hydroxy Toner. I usually take 2 cotton balls, very simple. Just put some of the product on it and continue to remove any dirt that's left, any residue from makeup, from the cleanser, especially around my nose. But you know, that's not bad. So it tells you that the product, the cleanser, does quite well. And using it with the Olay electric cleanser, oh, nice. So today I'm actually using, I'm Olay down. This is Olay Regenerants. And I'm taking my e.l.f. spatula, which I've told you guys about. I love, love, love this spatula. What a genius idea. Makes it so easy. And then I just moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. I don't put it directly under my eye. I have an eye cream that I use for that. But this is great. Oh, this is so light. And there's a little bit of fragrance, not a lot. But the texture of this product is so smooth. And then what I'm going to go in with, because I didn't wash my face last night, shame on me, okay? I'm going to go in with the Clarins. This is the double serum. I've been using this now probably about a year, just to give me a little bit more of a boost to my moisturizer, because I've been a bad girl. I don't want my face looking like I've been a bad girl. That's not good. Okay, so all that being said, now I'm going to go in with, please tell me I got it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Jacqueline Page Hyaluronic Eye Cream. I love this eye cream. It's so rich and it has never let me down. It doesn't irritate my eye. I try to take my weak finger, my ring finger, to blend it in and out throughout the eye. Okay, so now I'm just going in with, I have my Revision Night Cream for your neck. I take the same spatula, cleaned it off, and go in here. I tell you, this really is a quick process. So all you ladies and gents should be able to do a nighttime cleanse. And for me, the bad girls, when you get up in the morning, do it in the morning. Okay, so got my night cream on, my neck cream that is. Now I'm going in with Clinique Pore Refining Solution. I use this at least once a week to help minimize and eventually, hopefully, get rid of my large pores. But it happens. Okay. All right, really, that's it. So that's the full face makeup removal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this little family here. Click the bell notification so you know exactly when I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And don't forget to please read my beauty blog, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know your routine. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.